Hi, this is Raksil, and before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then please go and prove yourself that you are not a gay bot by subscribing the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright? Okay, we are going to flash the latest Awaken 2.1 Luna. Now go to wipe and select Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data, and swipe to wipe. Alright, now locate the folder where you have placed the files. Now flash latest Android 11 firmware, select the firmware and swipe to install. Okay, now back, and now flash Awaken OS, that is ROM. Now this will take time, it will take 3 to 4 minutes, so please be patient. Until then you can have a cup of tea, drink water. Okay, it's done now. Okay, now flash DFE for decryption. I don't think this build works encryption. Okay, it's done now. Just checking if there is any error. Now reboot system. Okay, this is the boot animation of Awaken project 2.1 Luna, and this is the pixel setup you get at the start. And here, let's go to settings and directly hop in about phones and Android version 12. We can see here. Now if you go round and round till when you reach 12 o'clock, then you should be able to see Easter egg, right? Now these are the applications that I'm running in the background. Okay, I have launched every application that is installed in my phone, and I think the RAM management is good. Okay, here you can see I have launched all the applications and I didn't see any application reload or relaunch, right? Everything was same, everything was working in background. All right, now you can take screenshot and you can edit. Now okay, now this is the Geekbench Score of this ROM 2005-33. Now I tried Antutu Benchmark, but it didn't work out, it didn't run. Okay, see this, all these applications are running in background, and the RAM management is good, right? And see here, you can save the image file just like this. I don't know what is this called, but you can save image file of YouTube thumbnails or any picture that is, you can just save the picture from your recent just like this. Okay, you see that that logo will pop up, and then you can save the image file, right? I don't think it triggers the small pictures, but if the picture is large enough, then it triggers, right, that logo pop-ups. Now click that and you can save the image. This is a good feature to have in smartphone, right? You can steal some other YouTubers thumbnail just like this. This is a good features, right? You don't have to work hard for your thumbnail. You can just copy or steal someone's thumbnail just by going to your recent, right? And you can copy the URL link just from recent, and you can copy text. This is a good update though, right? And to be honest, this ROM is smooth and the RAM management is good, right? You can see it's running, everything is running, and the Google Map is still, the location is still there. It didn't relaunch, the application didn't relaunch, it's still there, right? Okay, let's clear all this, and okay, let's go to Wallpaper and Styles. Here you get Monet, Wallpapers Monet, and you can select basic colors, accent, live wallpapers, and you can change wallpapers, online wallpapers, and I like this one. This one is a cool wallpaper. You see, you get that on display front camera installed, right? You can see that, right? This is a good wallpaper. You can try this wallpaper, and you have at the glance you can turn it on. Right now it's on my device. You can see the weather, you can see the weather, right? And okay, Ester X, and you can do these things in widgets. Choose colors. You can copy the colors from this icons or bars, whatever you say. I don't know what to say. Just now I will just remove this, and now let's okay, now here you can see this, you have caffeine mode here, right? You have screenshot mode, ambient display, okay, let's try screenshot, right? Okay, it didn't say on, it's still off. I think this is bug, right? Okay, it's on. You can take partial screenshot. It's working perfectly fine. It's just that it doesn't show it's on, it just show off, right? But you can still take screenshots, right? It's working. There is no problem with this. Now let's go to display and enable ambient display. And the fingerprint is really smooth here. You can see the fingerprint is lightning fast, right? It's smooth as butter. Okay, Now here the game dashboard is missing here. You don't get game dashboard and no customization unfortunately, but here you see when you try to turn on, when you try to enable game mode, you see this transparency or opacity is 0, right? This is bug. I hope we can see in the next build a very good build. Okay, I hope they fix in the next build. You see, this is the bug. Okay, here's the battery usage. Now I haven't used this ROM for a long time, so I won't know. Okay, I tried, this is the Antutu Benchmark. When I try to turn on Antutu Benchmark, it launched but it suddenly closed. It same happens in Evolution X latest a Android 12 ROM. In Evolution X, it didn't run my Antutu Benchmark, right? Okay, you get camera here. This is a good camera, but here you will see some bugs here. Here you get 2 times wide angle telephoto lens. The shutter speed is very fast though. Here you can see the shutter speed is fast, right? I was spamming and it got clicked very fast. And here is the bug. When you try to turn on, when you try to shoot video in slow motion, the camera gets hang or it doesn't respond. The camera doesn't respond when you try to shoot video in slow motion, and some other feature is not working as well. You have to close the application and open the application again to click photo, but still you cannot use some features like video slow motions. You can use different cameras like Gcam. Those will give you much better experience, right? Okay, here's a time lapse is working. I tried time lapse, everything is working in time lapse. Here you can see the video shoot in time lapse, and the front camera is working fine. Here you can see I just block with finger so that I could block my face, right? Okay, now what do we have here now to see? I'm just scrolling here and there. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's see Google Fit. Scroll. Okay, the UI is smooth, right? I think it's smooth. What do you say? Is it smooth or is it laggy? I feel it's smooth. You can change the clock style here. You need to update clock application from Play Store, then you can change your clock style. You get four different types of clock style. Let's try this. What's the weather like tomorrow? Interpreter mode.
language do you want translated?
Translate in Hindi.
Okay, Hindi.
Translate English in Hindi.
अंग्रेजी में अनुवाद करें.
Sister 14 Google.
बहन 14 Google.
Great. Okay, you get device is certified out of the box and safety net passes. Okay, let's try screen recorder with internal and external audio. Right now, I don't know if there is any difference with the screen recorder on. Right now it's recording in external and internal audio, right? I don't feel any lag right now. It's smooth, right? It's smooth as if I'm not recording the screen. Now let's check the screen recording. Okay, it's smooth, right? Now I don't know if there is any difference with the screen recorder on. Right now it's recording in external and internal audio, right? I don't feel any lag right now. It's smooth, right? It's smooth as if I am not recording the screen. Now let's check the screen recording. If you like watching custom ROM flashing custom ROMs update, then consider subscribing the channel, and this way you can help and support the channel to grow, right? Thank you. Peace out. Goodbye.